And welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. This is postcard number 27 of the challenge. Hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. Started by Carrie Griffiths, which is Carrie the Crafter. And for this one, I didn't want to put much, but then I got an idea since I got this as a gift. This is foil flakes. What I'm going to do is outline with glue this leaf stencil part right here, all of it, and then put this all over, tap it down, wait till it dries, and then we can, I didn't think of the brush, but I'll get a brush right now. And have it like that. See how it goes. Okay, I got a brush, or I got two brushes. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, all goes well, because this is kind of an experiment. So, okay, there you go. Start the glue. Let's see how that goes. Trying to hurry because this glue's tough. All right. Okay, now we're going to dump basically the flakes on here. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna make a mess. It's not like glitter, it gets stuck to you. Okay, this might be an error, but we're trying here. Don't try this at home. Ooh, that's a big old chunk. Okay. See? If you're not willing to make the mess, don't do it. Especially because it sticks to your hand. I think this is the messiest one I've ever done. Oh, there's still some glue there. Give it a few seconds. Whew. Meanwhile, maybe we can, broom it off. No, look at that. It sticks really well. I forgot to get my tweezers. This is like a broom. Save as much as you can back in the little jar. Although, like I said, it sticks to you. It's like the static of it. It's not gonna work. Well, at least the big chunks will work. Go back in there. Okay. That's okay. We still have a lot more in there. And I hardly use foil. So, let's see what's going on here. So, big old chunks. I'm trying not to press hard, but right here you can tell there's glue still. This is why I brought an extra brush in case it was gonna be an error here. Okay. Okay, ready, ready, ready. Let's see if it works if I put it back in here. Probably not. Or maybe. Hey, hey. It kind of works. That's all I'm going to salvage on this. And as you can see, besides the mess, I was not going for that, but we still can keep going. And I'm not doing it hard. I'm just doing it lightly. Very lightly. I'm guessing the glue here is squished all together. Okay, that's a fun one. Not. Look at all that. Well, I did it because I'm on camera videotaping this and doing it as soon as I can and trying to hurry up because I don't want to make these long. Like I always say, there's a lot of people who you can watch. They have a beautiful artwork. I think that's good. If I keep doing this, it'll round off. See how this one's loose? There you go. Came off. Okay, I'm gonna pause a minute, try to clean it up a little. Alrighty. I think that's done. And this is postcard 27. We should do that. I'm using archival ink, which is waterproof, jet black, perfect for stamping. I'll put it down here. Very good. And then I'm going to put this one up here. This one is submit yourself therefore to God. Resist the devil and he will flee from you. James 4:7. That will conclude this postcard. Let me know if you are liking the postcards. Comment down below. Go through all of them, see which one's your favorite. I know some of us have different colors, different favorite colors. Okay, it's still loosening up some of the gold flakes, but look at that. That is cool. Very nice. So thank you so much for watching. And some flakes came out of the leaf, but that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and remember to click on the hashtag July postcard play, and you'll get a whole bunch of videos where so many different artists are participating. You also can participate any time of the year, any day, any hour, and post your own with that hashtag. Um, and what else? And you can get creative. Thank you for watching. Bye.